Welcome to Tommy's Home Cooking, and today we're going to learn how to make mac and cheese homemade. What you're going to need: a pot to cook in, a colander to drain, 1-inch spoon, some salt, freshly ground pepper if you want, optional, olive oil, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 cup of macaroni elbows, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. To start, we're going to fill this pot up about halfway with some hot warm water. All right, we're gonna put that back on the stove. I'm gonna add a couple of shakes of salt. All right, take our olive oil. Swirls. Turn the oven on high, or that high. Let it get hot and get to a boil. All right, after about 3 to 6 minutes, your water should be boiling or starting to simmer. We'll call that close enough to a boil. We're going to go ahead and add in our pasta. As soon as your pasta is in, grab your spoon. Go ahead and stir that bad dude up. Keep it from sticking. Got a good boil going now. We're going to go ahead and stir one more time. This is a good safety tip. That boiling water is really hot. It's about 212 degrees, if not hotter. See, we got a little steam coming off of there. It is officially 6 minutes after we started. Got a good rolling boil. Be safe. All right, about 6 minutes into your pasta boiling, we're going to do something We're going to have to talk about some risk management here. Getting some water out of this pot with this glass measuring cup. It's going to be very dangerous, so be very careful. Be very quick. Stuck a little bit in the front there. We picked up some stragglers. That's about all you need. Just a little bit. Just enough to cover the bottom. We'll set that aside. Cool. 6 minutes after we added our water, should give another 2. We'll be good. We'll be ready to drain. All right, our pasta is done cooking. We're gonna take it out. Take it to our colander, dump her in there. Drain completely. Done. We're gonna set the pot off the heat. We're gonna grab our pasta, give it a little shake. All right. Put our pasta back in the pot. All right, now the fun part starts. We'll grab our pasta water. Drizzle that back in there. Take our milk, 1/4 cup of milk, pour our milk in there. Take our butter, chunk our butter in there. Start mixing. I used room temperature butter. You can use cold, but it's up to you. All right, everything is now incorporated, mixed up. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil in there. Give it another quick stir. And grab our cheese. Voila. And you're going to stir until combined. There should be enough residual heat left in the pot. If not, you can throw it right back on your already hot eye, even though it is turned off. Starting to melt. Come back for the finished product. As you can see, our cheese is nicely incorporated, melted, coated evenly. This is where, if you wanted to add pepper, you have the option to do so, which I will, and I'll be right back. All right, we've added our fresh cracked pepper. I'm going to incorporate that a little bit. Once that all is nice and incorporated, we'll set our spoon to the side. Go over to your bowl. In there. Let that sit for a few minutes. Let it cool down because it's lava hot right now. And then enjoy. And that's how you make mac and cheese at home.